Good to have everyone on here. We're going to go over a few things this morning. Good to have you, Hoa, Mateo. Good to have you guys in the live, back in the live as usual. We're going to go over a few things here this morning. We are seeing sell-off on the indexes across the board again, which is obviously no strange. In the last 2 weeks, we have been moving down. Yes, sir. Morning, Hoa. What's up? Any positions that you have on this morning? I'll speak about a few things that I do like. I've actually managed to get some DAX shorts this morning as we failed to clear for new all-time highs, making lower highs of here. So I've managed to short some DAX positions this morning. So that's been pretty neat. If you guys are watching on YouTube, let me know in the chat section what's up. If you guys want me to cover anything, let me know too. I could definitely see just from an hourly perspective, we are now sitting, which is at this key weekly VWAP on the DAX as well. So European markets down, that could lead to maybe the NASDAQ and US markets leading lower as well. Just something obviously very, very important in the next 20 minutes. We do have NFP. So obviously that's going to be a key component of what we do get towards the Friday. Just something that is quite interesting on the DAX. Obviously, we've taken our previous day's lows. So if we come here to this previous day's range report, let's go like this. Let's go D30 Euro, the DAX, right? And then let's go to that previous day's range report like this. Okay, we can actually see by weekday in the last 6 months. Okay, let's go daily time frame. Make sure, guys, we've got a lot of traders over here that need to make sure that their sessions are the correct one. But you can actually see on a Friday, when we take out the previous those lows, 71% of the time we actually will close as a bearish closing day. So please keep that in mind when looking to take positions. I definitely think longs could be quite tough today. So we'll keep that in mind. If you guys were trading before NFP, I would say maybe trading with a larger, wider stop loss would definitely help. Of course, just trading before NFP is always going to be a bit more tough. Let me just sign in here. I don't know why it's kicking me out. Edgeful seems to be working fine. My side, I know there's some guys in the Discord. If you have any issues, please make sure that you do come over here to the Edgeful live chat, bottom right-hand section here, and you can actually get the live help right there. Okay, so as mentioned, we got quite a few news events this afternoon. NFP, we've got some CAD unemployment as well. So a few things on the cards for sure. Anyone in the chat here on Discord have anything that they want to cover? Just to make sure that on Discord here, to join the Edgeful Discord, on the right-hand section of here on the Edgeful website, you can click there. You also got TradingView indicator access. These indicators are free with your membership. So make sure to check these out as well. Okay, and then obviously our live streaming platform, ASFX TV. I'm going to be live in the next hour for market open. You can use the code James for 50% off. That is where I do stream live with me and the team every single week. Okay, so let's go over some more, factors that we could possibly be looking at today. Let's go over some opening candle continuation. Let's go to reports, and then let's go to the opening candle continuation report, which is obviously quite important. Okay, it is also not now working my side. There we go. Okay, yep. That is interesting. So it's also not working my side now. Let's go like this. Let's try and get it up again. We'll have to speak to the team. Seems like it's coming up, and then it's when you wanting to change. Yeah, okay. So application error. We'll definitely have to speak to the team then about that. That is, let me actually message the team right now. But we can still speak about a few reports that I do like. Okay, so for example, on the S&P, a lot of traders here trade the S&P as well. We have now taken out for new lows of week, right? So from Monday to Tuesday, I have spoken about this opening week range report like this. Okay, boom, let's go like that, like this. Okay, let's go like that. So the highs from Monday into Tuesday and lows set. We've now taken out for new lows here to end yesterday. we could look for some continuation to the downside. Very rarely do we come back up and break the opposite side. Anyone else also experiencing this in the Discord? Anyone else also experiencing this, these issues with Edgeful? Now let me know. I will speak to the team right away. Let's go like this. Let's go like that now too. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go. Yeah. Okay. So it definitely is an issue. So let me just speak to the guys at the team. Seems fine here. That's interesting. Maybe I need to clear my cache. Try and go to report there, Hoa, because it definitely is coming up with that application issue my side. Yeah. Okay. Just got an error. So it definitely is down at the moment. Okay. So let's go like this. Like that. I'll message a team for everyone. Yeah. Yep. Let me get that fixed for you guys. Website right now. Let me just message the team so you guys can get updated. Yeah, seems to be an issue my side. But as I said, I think definitely we can see new lows of week here coming into NFP. We've got NFP in the next 40 minutes. So we will stay focused on that. Mateo, how have you been? DAX has been climbing, bro. I hope you've been taking advantage. There's been some nice trades on it. How are you keeping your side? Tesla down 1.84% pre-market and Nvidia up a little bit. Yeah, Mateo. Yep. Just messaging the team. Yeah, I was on the goal this week. I don't like shorting the DAX. Okay, nice. Yeah, obviously shorting the DAX near all-time highs is a little bit more tricky for sure. Okay, they just yeah. If you refresh, refresh. Okay, let's try again. Let's go like this. Let's go to Edgeful. Okay, and then we go to a market session correlation report. Okay, seems to be working out now. Seems to be working. Looks like it's back on then. Okay, so it seems to be up again then. Okay. Okay, seems to be working again. So let's go over this opening week range report as mentioned. Yeah, a few minutes ago started working again. Brilliant, brilliant. Yeah, I agreed. It was down for a little bit and now started to work again. Okay, cool. Let's go over this opening week range report as I said on the S&P 500. Okay, let's go like this and then opening week range report. Opening week range. Let's go like this. Where is this? Previous week opening week range. Okay. Let's go like that. Let's just get this like this. Let's just mute the guys in the Discord. Okay, so when we take out, okay, let's just go to daily time frame. When we take out that high set from or low set from Monday and Tuesday, only 15% of the time do we come back and break that opposite side. So knowing that, very, very tough to be looking for longs today right now. Obviously, we do have NFP coming in the next 11 minutes, but we have taken out these lows over here to the downside. Okay, so knowing that, very rarely do we come back up and break that opposite side. Actually, only 15% of the time. With the NASDAQ, let's go with the NASDAQ. Okay. The NASDAQ, we can see the same is only actually 7% of the time do we break both sides. So on NQ, okay, like this, it's just, we got to trade with the trend. I think it's very, very tough. I've been caught this week as well trying to just pick bottoms, and it's just very, very stupid. So when we have highs set from Monday and Tuesday like this, okay, high and low set from Monday and Tuesday, we now have taken out the lows over here. Okay. Very rarely do we come back up and break the opposite side. Now, of course, we are at this low week, so we do need to be careful shorting here as well. I just think this NFP that's going to come out in the next 10 minutes is going to be pretty important. Let's have a look at the gold price right now as well. So let's go like this. Gold is actually trading higher right now, but still stuck in this range that we have been. If we just, what have been your trades on gold, Matteo? What have been your trades on gold so far this week? Two longs and one break even. The other one was the oldest week. Okay, nice. Well, so longs, I guess longs have been really, really neat this week. As you can see, this is XAU USD gold. I mean, we literally this week up from the lows of the week, we are sitting up 1.585%. So very, very nice. I think something probably in my terms of the base trade of the week on gold so far would have been this previous day's high setup. You can see over here, we actually took out that previous day's highs, and if we go to this previous day's range report on gold, so let's go like this, and let's go to this previous day's range report on gold. Let's go to the daily time frame. Okay, we can actually see that when we do take out the previous day's highs in the last 6 months, 78% of the time we're going to close as a bullish closing day. Okay, vice versa for the short, 74% of the time. Now we go to weekday, and I think this was actually on Tuesday. So on Tuesday, that pops up to 94% of the time. So when we broke this previous day's high on Tuesday, 94% of the time we can know that this will be a bullish closing bar, right? So very, very solid trading probabilities to be in there at that. Okay, so as I mentioned, we got NFP in the next 8 minutes. Obviously, there should be a little bit of fireworks. We can see Mag 7 stocks are red across the board besides Google and Nvidia, but not looking too hot. It's just some currency pairs, Euro, JPY. Yeah, I need to stick to actually just trading off these indexes, and maybe one or two stocks has been really, really working for me quite nicely. Currency pairs have been a little bit choppy and all over the place right now. So we'll actually put those there. Yeah, okay. So DAX, I've still got running some DAX shorts that are, as mentioned, we've taken out previous day's lows. I got my stop here at half day. So we'll see. I'm in still at about like 30%. So I was actually short off that over there with a stop at half day. So we'll see how that goes. I still do like the shorts to end the week. I think we could get definitely a spill over, but let's see. We'll maintain that position right now. Kev, good to have you on here in the chat. Steve, what's up? Tony, good to have you on. Okay, so definitely a very crucial point here, just to mention on the ES chart, S&P chart, we are sitting at this daily 200 EMA, which obviously for long-term investors is quite an important, level for sure for traders. So if we slide lower here, I mean, we could definitely see back towards maybe this level here of 5,400, back towards here. So very, very crucial level right now. We are sitting at 6% of all-time highs, 7% of all-time highs. So very, very important level that we are sitting at the moment. How's everything going your side, Matteo? How's the prop firm trading been? How's everything your side been? Yeah, we were playing some golf this morning, Murray and I. See that? Murray and I playing some golf this morning. Nice. Love it. There we go. Here's geez, Lee cracking 7% in a trading week. That's flipping power, boss. 7% in a trading week, trading the DAX. Yeah, I mean, this is guys in our trading group or from our live streams, as mentioned, from ASFX TV that are crushing it. I love it. Yeah, trading DAX, I mean, he's been on an absolute ripper this week, 7%. That's pretty neat. You know. Okay, 5 minutes till NFP right now. Yeah, that's super, super neat. Okay. Any questions in the Discord? Yeah, anything that you guys want me to cover? I passed phase 1 this week. Now I'm in phase 2 -1. But now, so which company are you trading with at the moment? Okay, so as mentioned, very crucial level here on the S&P. But I mean, we're definitely not looking bullish across the board. But obviously, markets are going to come in with this NFP data in the next 4 minutes, and we'll see what we do get from there. It's going to be very, very interesting to see for sure. You know, if we come lower, we definitely are going to slide. I definitely think if we take out this low, you're not looking to trade if you would just wait till the cash open. Yeah, I mean, George, a lot of guys are just going to wait for the open. I think if you are trading into NFP, if you don't have a position that's locked in profit, I think it can be quite tough, in my opinion. But yeah, anyone actually trade into NFP normally? Yeah, too much. Yeah, and also can go other direction, right? And too much. Too much. Yeah, I agree. 100%. So we've got 5 minutes. I'm going to wait until then. Let's go like this. Yeah, so the team are saying it's all good right now. Okay. Yeah, still 2 minutes till 2 minutes till the news event comes out. So, I'm just sitting flat right now. I'm just sitting flat. We're gonna wait here. I think it's just a gamble if you are trying to trade into it for sure. I mean, Mag 7 stocks across the board, we have not been looking bullish. That's for sure. We're below the 5-day SMA across almost all of them. Let's just go over the Amazon. Amazon will be below it, this yellow 5 SMA. Microsoft, we are sitting at it, just above it, but at it. Google will be above it. Meta back down to 627. So been a big pullback on Meta off all-time highs. On Meta, we are off all-time highs. We are down 15%, 16% off all-time highs. Tesla, we are down quite big off all-time highs. That is for sure. That is for sure. So we're back down to 250 almost, where we broke out of that. I mean, off all-time highs on Tesla right now. Let's go like this. I mean, of all-time highs, we are sitting down 46% of all-time highs on Tesla. So things aren't looking too great. Okay, so team says Edgeful is back up and running. Brilliant. Cool. We'll wait until until the news, and then we'll see what we do get, and then we'll take it from there. We've got the news now, next 40 seconds. Dow's trading low as well. Dow's actually been trying to hold up this week compared to the others, but I think you just got to look at this also from an objective point of view, right, guys? Let's go like this. Okay. Let's go like that. Let's hide that. Okay, let's go to the NASDAQ again. Like, look at this. All week, we've been respecting this weekly view app. We're trading below it. Not once do we get back above it. Besides, we try here on Tuesday and then on Wednesday. But we respect that all week. It definitely helps when we have a bias and you got to, pick a side and try and stick to that. 6 seconds now until NFP release. So we'll see what we do get. But yeah. There we go. We're lower off that. Now sparking higher. I wouldn't be surprised to see this like a spark higher, then fade away again. We'll see how we do close, of course. Again, sell rallies. If you are short biased, you sell rallies. If you're long biased, you buy dips. That's what you are doing when you got a specific bias for, an index. Again, the Nikkei also been trading lower all week as well. So world markets are not looking particularly bullish at the moment. Couple of movements here on the video and Meta, but do we get a relief bounce? I'm not too sure. So I'll leave you guys with there. I'm going to wait until this first hour plays out for the open, and then we'll take it from there. I appreciate you guys being on as always, and we'll see you Wednesday through Friday at 8 a.m. Eastern Time. I am live on ASFX TV. The next hour, again, you can use the code James for a 50% off. We'll see you guys there. I appreciate your time. And wait for that first hour. Look at this opening candle continuation. So that first hour could give a very, very big clue into where we could go for the rest of the day. That's my plan for today, particularly after NFP. We'll see you guys.